Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tapo C200 camera so that you can record and view it live on your phone. So let's begin the video. For this, all you need is your Tapo C200 camera, its power charger, and your phone on which you're going to connect it and view it live. So first of all, we need to download the Tapo app on our phone. So the app is available both for iOS and Android users. Currently I'm using a Android phone. The process is same for iPhone users as well. So the first thing that you need to is open the Play Store or App Store and search for Tapo. I will also put this app link in the video description as well. So here is the first one, tplink Tapo, as you can see. So we're going to download and install this app. As the app is downloading and installing, the second thing is that we can connect the power adapter to our camera. So the one thing that you need to make sure that when you're going to configure it for the first time, make sure that your Tapo camera is closer to the internet router for which you're going to connect it, because this is going to need internet in order to show live video on your phone. So for the first time when you're connecting it, make sure that it is closer to the router. Once all configuration is completed, then you can mount it anywhere you want where it has some Wi-Fi signals. So here I have the power adapter that come with it. If the camera can focus on it, the input is around 220 volts, so you can connect it to a 220 volt supply, and the output is let's see now, it's 9 volt and 0.8 amperes, so quite small writing. Anyways, here I have a 220 volt power supply, and here is the Tapo camera. On the back you can see we got this little power input as well. So let me just connect it to the power. So once connected, you're going to have this little red light and the camera might move a little as well. Okay, you can see that the app has been installed successfully. We're going to open the Tapo app. Okay, here are the privacy policies. Accept them. After reading them, we're going to press on continue. So the first thing that you need to do is to make an ID on Tapo. If you don't have any ID, what you can do is to press on this sign up button right here, and you can make an ID, which is simple. Just enter your email, password, and after that just press on sign up. So I already have an ID on it, so I'm just simply going to log in. Once logged into the app, you're going to have something like this. For me, I already have one Tapo camera on my home. Here is the second camera for the office. So all you need to do is to press on this add button on the top right side, as you can see right here. We're going to press on this add button, and here you need to find your camera. So I know this is a C200 camera of Tapo. If you don't know your model number, you can just look on the box. So here in this case you can see it says Tapo C200. In your box it may be different if you have any other camera, so just select that camera from the list. After that, power up and check the LED. So again, your camera should be powered on for the first time and its LED should blink green and red. So here you can see that the Tapo camera is green and red blinking. So we're going to press on next from here. We need to enable locations for this, so we're going to press on enable. So allow while using the app. To scan and connect to your Tapo device and accurate sunrise, we're just going to press on cancel. So connect to your Tapo app. So all you need to do in this case is to go back, open the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and here it should show your Tapo camera. As you can see, Tapo Cam ED57, where we're going to connect to the Tapo camera. Once connected, just go back and open the Tapo app again, and I just press on I am already connected. So you can see it's saying internet may not be available, so we're just going to press on keep using this Wi-Fi connection. Again, go to the app. We're going to select I am already connected. Now Tapo is looking for your Tapo device, so we're just going to wait. Okay, now this is the main thing that which Wi-Fi connection do you want your Tapo camera video connected. So meaning that you need to select your home Wi-Fi network on which your Tapo camera is going to operate. So in my case it is PTCL BB. So here I'm just going to enter the Wi-Fi password of my home router. Okay, once I entered the Wi-Fi password of my home router, it's going to try to connect to it. Again, if you have your router, okay, it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Again, if you have your router really close to your Tapo camera when setting up for the first time, you're not going to have any problem or issues. So we're just going to wait. Pairing your Tapo device. Okay, the Wi-Fi has been connected successfully. Okay, here is the device name. If you want to rename this device, you can do so. So I'm just going to name it Shop Cam 2, so that I know which camera is this one. You can change the name again in the settings as well if you want to. After that, we're going to press on next. So you can set any location. It's really not necessary. If you want to, you can do so. So just select location if you want. In my case, it's an office. Press on next, and now it's going to configure our Tapo camera. Sounds good. Okay, as you can see, it says auto update is enabled and the update will begin at 3 AM to 5 AM. We can disable auto update later in the settings. Got it. We're going to press on skip for now. Okay, set up local storage. Use an SD card for local recording. Okay, you can insert an SD card to your Tapo camera as well, which I don't have right now, but if you want to, you can do so. So you can see it supports a micro SD card from 8 GB to 128 GB. We're going to press on OK, maybe later, and we're just going to close it. And here you can see, here is my Shop Cam 2, which is this particular Tapo camera. I'm going to press on go, close it, and it should show it. And yes, it is showing, as you can see right here. So you can easily now move your camera as well. As you can see, the camera is moving and my internet connection is a little slow right now. That's why it's taking a little time to update. But now what you can do is just power off your Tapo camera, and now you can mount it to the place where you want to, and now you can view it easily. In order to disable auto updates of the Tapo camera, make sure that the camera is selected. Here you got a little gear icon on the top right side. Press on this gear icon and here it will show you the camera. Press on your camera again, and here on the last it says firmware version. Press on the firmware version button, and here you can see new firmware is available, and here you can see it says auto update. Just press on auto update and disable and press on save. So now your Tapo camera is not going to be updated automatically. So guys, in this way you can set up your Tapo C200 camera. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other question, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and always stay safe.